Hello friends. So today we are in the fifth part of the chapter, that is the fundamental unit of life for 9th standard science. In the last class we have discussed very well about the plasma membrane, which we have seen that yes, it is the outermost covering of the cell. But today we shall discuss one more outer covering, which is the outer covering of the plasma membrane, and that is said to be the cell wall. In the diagram you can see very well that there is one more outer covering which is present in relation to the plasma membrane, that is said to be the cell wall. Now we shall see few highlighting features of the cell wall. Now this cell wall has one very special feature, that yes, it is exclusively present only in case of the plants. It is not present in case of the animals. Now why it is not why it is not present in case of the animals? Because animals have the internal body skeleton which is there to support the entire structure. Fine. Few more properties. This cell wall is a rigid outer covering and present outside the plasma membrane. Now what this cell wall is made up of? So there is one special material which is used. It is made up of the cellulose. Now what is this cellulose? This cellulose is a complex substance that gives strength to the plants, and because of this cellulose the plants are able to stand erect. No doubt few more other factors are also responsible for making the plants erect, but here along with that the cellulose also has a huge role to play. Fine. Now one very much special property of the cellulose. When the living plant cell, it loses water by means of the osmosis. In the last class we have discussed very well about the osmosis, that is the spontaneous movement of the water from higher concentration to lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane, that is said to be the osmosis. So when it loses water by osmosis, the shrinkage of the contents, they take place away from the cell wall. So the inner contents of the cell wall, or I should say the cytoplasm, they move away from the cell wall and the cell ultimately shrinks. This process is said to be the plasmolysis. In the diagram you can see very well, this is a normal cell. But when the water is lost, the contents of the cell which are there, they ultimately they shrink and a void is being created here. So such a cell which is formed by plasmolysis, that is said to be the plasmolyzed cell. Fine. In relation to the uses, what this cell wall is and how it is used exclusively in case of the plants. So this cell wall, it can withstand external medium without bursting. So various sorts of hypotonic solutions are there. So this cell wall can withstand such type of solutions without bursting. So it is very much useful for the plants. Furthermore, it will also be helping in case of the supporting the plant cells also. So the cell wall, which is exclusively found in case of the plants, very much essential in case of their routine workout. Thank you very much.